Hi, this is Kevin Suff from Concentrus. I want to share the quick tip to create transaction safe search for sales order with duplicate purchase order number. When the user accidentally entered the duplicate purchase order number in the multiple sales order and want to detect them before being shipped out, you can create a safe search to prevent the duplicate order being shipped out. For example, sales user entered the sales order and entered the same PO number on both of the sales order with the same PO number. And we're going to create a safe search to prevent this duplicate order being shipped out with the duplicate purchase order. And in order to create a safe search, I'll go to the reporting, safe search, or safe searches, new. And I'll go to the transaction since we're creating a transaction. Safe search. You can name the title as however you want to find the safe search. And you may enter the different ID to do so if you wish. And you can set it as public or any other available list view or dashboard view you would like to have. On the standard, you can go ahead and on the filter, select mainline. Sorry, selecting the wrong one here. And we're only looking for the mainline in this case. And then the type of the transaction will be sales order. And then make sure the PO number value is valid and not empty. So we'll choose PO check number as not empty. And we're going to go ahead and go over to the summary. And then on the count, we're going to go ahead and select the document number. That is greater than 1. And add. And at the columns, let's go to results. And we'll go ahead and clear everything out. And I'll add. And you may use required field. You drop down menu to select as much as you want. You just need to be careful what you're adding. The must that you would need to have is the PO check number. And we want to group them because you want to see the duplicate, the PO number in the sales order. And you can choose a document number and select count. And this will provide results with the number of counts of the shared PO number, same PO number. And this is where I mentioned earlier that you want to be careful what you add on here, such as if you want to add customer name, and if you want to group them, for example. And the biggest, one of the issue that concern that you need to consider is that you won't be able to detect the sales order with a duplicate purchase order number if it is placed with a different customer, but the same PO. And it wouldn't group them. It wouldn't group them together since you added another the results of the customer name, because it will have a different customer name but the same PO number. But it will separate them separate them, as they're not technically sharing the same customer name. So I'll remove this. These two are the most important ones I would recommend to have set on your the results column. And you can go ahead and save and run. And it will say that I have the check number, same check number with the two different ones. I can go ahead and click them. And it will break down which two sales order that is with the same track number. And if I open them, you can tell these two are sharing the same PO number here. I hope you enjoyed this video and help you to detect sales order with a duplicate purchase order number. Thank you for watching this video.